Hello friends, welcome to Machine Learning, the future course. So in the last part, we have seen three steps which are importing the libraries, importing the data set. As we already seen, this is our data set which we have seen in our last part, which contains reviews as well as 0 or 1. And the next step, which is cleaning the text. And as I already said that we need to clean the text which are involved in our reviews so that our machine learning model will have a more accurate review section which will be able to helpful in learning as well as testing the machine learning model. So that's the steps involved, wherein the first step is like we will be substituting anything which has A to Z, which is not A to Z, and A to Z, which is anything which is not this. Please substitute it into the space, and that's it which we have involved over here. And the next step is like converting everything into a lowercase. So that are the steps which are involved. Now our next step includes removing non-significant words, like removing words which are not relevant in predicting whether the review is a positive or negative. So it involves all articles in the English, such as a and the, of, prepositions, and various other things which are involved. So all those words which are none of the importance in your review section, as you can see over here, was, it, on, the, was, all these words are irrelevant determining whether the review is positive or negative. So our step involves removing those irrelevant or non-significant words. So we'll be using NLTK library for this, and that library contains list of words which are generally in review or text to predict. So it will have list of words which are known as stop words, and stop words are a list of irrelevant words which we want to remove from our review. So yes, so let's use that as our main thing. So let's do this. So for that, let's import the library which is known as import NLTK. So that's our library NLTK, and we'll be using the stop words. So we need to download that to nltk.download. So let's use nltk.download. What will be the name of the list? It's known as stop words, which includes prepositions, articles, and all which we want to remove from our reviews. So that's the step which is involved, and this is it. So next step, we need to split the reviews into different words. So as you can see in our various let's first of all let's execute this all set of instructions one by one. So let's execute it till here, command and control enter, and that's executed. So as you can see, the data set which involves column names, review, and light. And our next step is like we need to execute this, and after executing this, let's execute this, and it will take some time. So yes, it has been executed, and our next step involves we need to exactly split review into different words. So for that, we'll be using review is equals to review dot split method. So that split method will help us to separate or convert this string into different words. So let's execute that as well. And yes, as you can see, the list involves food, arrived, and quickly. As we have already seen our review number 0, which is index 0, which is food, arrived quickly. And as you can see, the exclamation mark in the end has been removed. Due to what? It's because of this substitute function, which is anything which is not letters has replaced with space. So now we need to apply this stop words which we have downloaded to remove anything which is a and the preposition into our review section. So let's do that, and for that we'll be requiring a for loop so that it will go through all these review sections and it will remove those things. So let's do that. So let's use a for loop. So for word in review, if not word in set stop words dot words, and specifically we want English. So this is our set of statement which we have used. So it says for word in review, if not word is in the stop words dot words English. So it will exclude all those words which are there in the stop words, and it will give us back with all those review words which are excluding all those stop words. So that's what it is, because if we have used if not here, so for word in review, if not word in stop words, that will be our review list. So that's what it is. So it will be removing all those words which are involved in the stop words, which contains preposition, conjunctions and a articles which are involved in English. So, and why have we used set over here? So set method, as it will be faster for algorithms to go through all those words in those stop words. So it will be a faster way of going through all those words in those stop words and then comparing it with your reviews, because this will involve a lot of time, because we have 1000 reviews and that needs to go one by one. Here we have just selected first one, but here needs to be gone through each and every word of those stop words. So set will actually have a faster way of doing it by going through all those words in stop words. So that's why we have used set rather than in the list. So let's execute this. So let's execute this set of instruction. I think that's enough, and let's execute this. Okay, so it's giving some error. The stop word is not defined. Yes, so that's where we have done some mistakes. We have downloaded the stop word, but we have not imported the stop word. So from nltk.corpus, let's import stop words, and now we'll do one thing. We'll actually reset our kernel or restart it. Yes. So let's wait for some time. So yes, we are back. We have restarted the kernel, and let's execute all this set of instructions. So command and control enter, and let's look at the results. So let's wait for some time. I think it will, and yes. So as you can see, the review contains food arrived and quickly, and our word which contains word quickly. So word for word in review, if not, and then it will send you this list of words. So that's it for this video. In the next video we'll be looking at some more steps which is required to actually get our review section in a more strategical and in a more useful way. So hope you are enjoying this video series. Thank you very much. Bye bye.